All right, boys and girls, this is your fact practice. So you don't have to have your mom and dad time you on this. We'll just go through this together as a class. So remember how we did the clock the other day? 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 3, 15, 5 times 4, 20, 4 times 5, 25, 5 times 6, 30, 5 times 7, 35, 5 times 8, 40, 5 times 9, 45, 5 times 10, 50, 5 times 5, 55, 5 times 12, 60. All right, so we have to match the problems to the answer. 2 times 5, 10. 6 times 5 is 30. 3 times 5 is 15. 9 times 5 is 45. Oops. 7 times 5 is 35. 0 times 5 is 0. 4 times 5 is 20. 8 times 5 is 40. 1 times 5 is 5. And 5 times 5 is 25. All right. So now we need to figure out what times 5 equals 35. Well, you can use this to help you. 7. Blank times 5 is 20. 4. Blank times 5 is 30, which is 9. And blank times 5 is 15, which would be 3. All right. So you have to do this as part of your homework tonight. Here's the sheet we did. Now we're on to 112A. And 112A says that we need to draw an 8 centimeter line segment. So here is 8. Draw my line. I'm going to measure this line segment, and it is 4 centimeters. Let's see what our word problem says. The children in Mrs. Conte's class planted 18 tomato plants and 16 pepper plants. The children in Miss Monaco's class painted 14 tomato plants and 15 squash plants. How many tomato plants did they plant all together? So we just need to look for the tomato plants. So I'm going to just skim. Oh, here's a tomato plant. Pepper. Oh, and here's my other tomato plant. So I have 18 plus 14 equals, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to show my work. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1, bring down the 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And my answer is 32 tomato plants. It's a lot of tomato plants. All right, now I'm going to look at how much money this is. I have quarter, 25, dime 10, nickel 5, nickel 5, 25, 35, 40, 45, 45 cents. I need to write it 2 ways. 45 with a cent sign, and then I can do it with a dollar sign. I have $0. So it can go like that. It says measure the sides of the rectangle in problem 2 using centimeters. What is the perimeter? So the perimeter, remember, is the outside. So we have 3 on this side. If there's 3 on this side, we have 3 on the other side. And then I'm going to just measure the bottom, and it is about 9. All right, so now we have to add this up. 9 and 9 is 18. And 3 plus 3 is 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. And we have 24. And we did this in centimeters. Write a mixed number to show how many squares are shaded. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 holes. And then this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, is divided into 4 parts. How many are shaded? 1. So it would be 3 1/4. All right. Number 5. How many pets do the children in room 6 have all together? So we're looking for the pets, and this is a different type of graph. So all together, we have 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 pets. And maybe we don't need to put pets, but that's okay. How many more dogs are there than birds? How many more is like how much more, and subtraction should be ringing in your head right now. So I need to look at the dogs and the birds. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Which 2 pets make up half of the children's pets? Well, let's see. If we have 12 pets all together, half of 12 would be 6. So it would be dogs and, that's not an option. Let's see, dogs and cats. Well, that would be, oh, there you go, dogs and cats. That would be your option, because birds and dogs, that wouldn't work. And cats and birds, here are my cats, and here are my, oh no, it's cats and birds. Sorry, boys and girls. That was confusing me. There we go, cats and birds. My mistake. All right, let's go on. Now we have subtraction. More on the floor, go next door, round 10 more. 8 becomes a 7, 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 7 minus 2 is 5. 54. Addition problem. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 7 is 11. Carry the 1. Bring down the 1. 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Now we have an addition money problem. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry the 1. Bring down the 7. 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 10. Carry the 1. Bring down the 0. I also need to bring down my decimal point. And 5 plus 1 is 7. And I need to remember my dollar sign. Last two, 8 times 5 is 40. And 3 times 5 is 15. Now if you get stuck on these multiplication ones, just count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. All right, boys and girls. So your homework is 112B, the facts, and 112B, the work. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye, boys and girls.